Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel and I am here with another recipe of roll cake but with chocolate. So we are going to make this beautiful chocolate roll cake and I am going to show you the center of this cake. It looks like a perfect round. Let's begin. We are making berries confit first and I am going to put my confit in the acetate sheet which you always get in stationery. So I just put tapes on the sides and secure it, and now I'm going to activate the sugar and pectin. This confit is a little different in terms of texture, because it is not very rubbery but it's subtle. So we are using pectin and gelatin both here. I don't want my confit to be more in jelly shape and more in rubbery texture. I want a balance. So I am going to cook the berries and with sugar and pectin first, and after it activates I am going to add gelatin in it. So here it goes. I'm going to add gelatin. Now I will cook for 1 minute, and after it cools down I will put in the cylinder shape and leave it for overnight. And now we are making ganache. So I'm using milk chocolate, milk and whipping cream. You can use any of the milk chocolate. It's not necessary the one I'm using. I'm going to boil whipping cream and milk together, and then I will put my chocolate in it and wait for 1 minute until it melts. It starts to melt, and then I will just mix it until the homogeneous mixture is formed, and then I will leave it overnight in the fridge. And now let's move to the roll cake. You can see all the ingredients I have. All the ingredients are on room temperature. Okay, so there are 2 sugars in it, one for egg whites and one for eggs and eggs yolk. I'm going to make my meringue first with mixing sugar in egg whites. Okay, and then I will beat the second mixture with the sugar. In the end I will add the dry ingredients in the eggs plus egg yolk mixture, and then I will mix both the mixture together. And that's a very simple but very tasty roll cake, and just fold it with the light hands. And now I'm going to spread it on the tray and bake it. I will spread it nicely in the tray. The tray size is in the description box. You can use the same tray size for this. Okay, and here it is after baking. I will leave it to cool it down on the cooling rack. I will just flip it, and then I will remove the butter paper and I will leave it to cool down, and then we will assemble after 30 minutes. And here it is. After 30 minutes I am going to spread first the ganache nicely, a nice thick layer of ganache. You can use any type of spatula or scraper, whatever you like. And then I will remove my confit and put it from the first corner and roll it. Here it goes. Just roll it nicely, and after rolling, wrap it in the cling film and put it in the freezer. After putting in freezer for 2 hours, now we are going to decorate it with simply the whipping cream. I have whipped cream. Now I'm going to remove the corner, and that's it. I'm just using a piping tip, the basket weave, and I'm going to pipe whipping cream on the top, and then I will decorate it with some star nozzles. I will put little stars, and now I will use fresh berries because it looks beautiful to eyes, and it tastes well. And our confit is also berries, so I'm just going to use that. I will put some chocolate curls on top to make it more attractive to the eyes. And that's it, here it goes. It looks so beautiful, refreshing and appealing. And I will show you the slice of this. You can see the beautiful confit in the center is a very nice texture. And I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Until next video, ciao, bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.